you confused on how to use your essential oils you have at your home? Then this recipe is perfect for you. Let's make this cleansing sugar scrub bar so that you can use your essential oils to make your skin nice and soft. With this recipe, you'll go from dry, itchy skin to super soft skin, and you'll want to use it every day. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off your distractions because making is healing, so let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. From your February recipe box, we're gonna use all the essential oils. So fennel, our love blend, our ginger root, and cardamom. You're also gonna wanna use your melt and pour soap base, your cute little heart soap mold, your recipe card, and your stickers. From your bonus box, you're gonna grab your almond oil, and then from your kitchen, you're gonna grab 3 tablespoons of sugar. All right, first step says we're gonna add a tablespoon of our almond oil and our essential oils together, and I'm gonna stir them around so that they're evenly incorporated. So I'm adding a tablespoon of our almond oil, 5 drops of our Love Essential Oil Blend. This essential oil blend is super floral, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. We're gonna add 5 drops of our cardamom, 3 drops of ginger, and 2 drops of our fennel essential oil. All of these essential oils combined with our almond oil are super cleansing, and you're gonna love the way your skin feels afterwards. Now I'm gonna mix the essential oils and the almond oil together to make sure that they're evenly incorporated and the essential oils are diluted. I'm gonna set this aside and I'll be right back. The second step is you are going to melt your soap base. The directions say to melt about 0.5 ounces, so it's about 1 cube. All right, the instructions say that you will wanna melt this over a double boiler. I'm gonna use a microwave using 30-second intervals. All right, now that the soap base is melted, I'm gonna add in my oil mixture and stir it. Now that this is evenly incorporated, I'm gonna add in my sugar. All right, I'm gonna stir this up. So I'm ready to pour it into my mold. All right, now that I poured it all into the soap mold, I'm gonna let it harden and it should be good to go. I absolutely love seeing all the creations you guys get to make. So go ahead and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so I can see them. Do you wanna learn how to master essential oils? Go get your recipe box today and we'll teach you how. You will love using essential oils with confidence and clarity. We make it so easy for you.